Hi, this is Vape and Juice TV. I'm David, and this is our tutorial series on how to change a coil on a kit. If you've got a kit that's proving particularly troublesome, stick around and we'll show you exactly how to change it. So Innokin Coolfire Z80, I'm going to show you how to change the coil on a Zenith tank. Now that means you might not have this particular kit, you might have another variation, but the Coolfire Zenith tank, it's pretty standard. It actually uses a very similar system for coil changes as, well, pretty much all of the Innokin kits do, from the Endura range to the Zenith and the Kroma tanks and all the other nonsense. So I'm going to open the box. This is one we've got prepared earlier, and we'll show you what you get in the box. It's irrelevant because I'm not trying to promote this particular kit. I'm just going to show you how to change a coil on the tank, but force of habit. Anyway, so in my little box, I've got this very natty, lovely soft material, this one here. We've got what matters, which is the tank itself. This is just the battery, so let's just get this box out of the way. I'll go in my secret collection. Right, so just to make my life easier, I'm not going to use that. I don't even know why it's in my hand. I was going to screw it on and then I'd have to unscrew it off, which would be stupid. So let's try and keep this video short. Right, here's your tank. This is the Zenith tank. It's a Zenith 2 tank. Now, Zenith 1 tank looks very similar, just looks a bit dated more. So the Zenith 2, how do we change the coil on this? Very simple. Unlike other kits, it's not from the top, it's from the bottom. So what we do is we just unscrew the bottom like so. So we hold it stiff at the top, unscrew the bottom, and this is like a protector ring. This holds the whole sort of tank in place. Underneath we've got the coil. Now we want to make sure the tank is empty, otherwise what's about to happen now is it's going to just leak all over my hands. So you can either open the tank hole at the top, or just unscrew it and just pour it out. But I mean, you probably vaped it all through anyway. Or you can just pour it out here. We get our nails or another lipped instrument and we just pull the coil out. There you go, that's the coil. How do you know when the coil is done? Well, it won't feel as easy to inhale as it used to. This little mesh area here at the top of the coil will be quite brown, dirty and sticky. You might find sometimes it tastes burnt, it's lost its flavour. All those things, they all mean it's probably time for a coil change. Truth be told, it's been a couple of weeks, change the coil up anyway. So we yank that out, we throw that in a nice recycling bag. If we're in the UK, that's a pink bag. Anywhere else in the world, it's a variety of colours. And we put a fresh one in. Pop the fresh one in, and we just literally match up the square edge of the coil with these square edge lines on the tank. Pop it in place, and this is what the bottom ring is for, because it's now going to hold it in place. I'm just going to screw it tight. That's how to change the coil on a Zenith tank. So Zenith tank, Kroma tank, and pretty much any Innokin tank. So while I've shown you on the Z80, it works for all Zenith tanks. One thing I will just quickly show you as well, worth noting, okay? If you ever find the tank leaks, always check on the bottom that there's still the black band there. The black band is gone, it's lost that bit of airtight water tightness. You'll probably get some spares in the box anyway, but that just holds things in place nicely. It stops being metal on metal, and it just keeps it from leaking. That's how to change the coil on the Zenith.